Sada Kamataya Paubing. Public Administration Day Them Kamatai Vivang District na PM we award confit Saga Highway Tili Bishnipur District Way Deputy Commissioner na Fiti Sami Haira. Twiga High Pung Makadamati Along Lake India Lake COVID case Qatar 3,207 some hungry Haira. Kazat Hiwi Aina Makada Jikona Mawan Satu Haira. Like Hangazin, Mami, TV Tangkhul News, YURNGAMPHY KHODANG in a family. Public Administration Day Them Kamatai Bing Vivang Prime Minister we award Sampang Kahai Vitili Matang Zimiksho Bishnipur District Lay Deputy Commissioner Larembam Bikramli Facilitated Samyaira. Facilitation Program Hi Moirang Likle INE Memorial Auditorium Likwikaya. Program G All Manipur Football Association AMOFA Namashok Kamina. Moirang Assembly Constituency we MLA T. Santi Kala Bishnipur District we TC Laurembam Bigram na Program Chui Gas Kala President Sada Razanga. Hero ISL Kala Hero I Leg 2021-22 Lisha Rukhi Gahai Moirang we Aina Football Kangareo now being Kuman Udanda Subhas Singham Diraj Moirang Them Gibson Kaisham Angelo Sandosh Irembam Toiba Moirang Them Kala Silki Himan Atumlila Facet Sami Haira. Program Juli Marazang Kharar Kangareo now being we Avu Ava Bingna Atumi Mahut Sada gives Sampanga. Program Jui Akai Sada Moirang ACW MLA TH Santina AMOFA Academy at a grants Gachi leaflet launch Samia. Football player Himan Silki Lee AMOFA 2022-23 way brand ambassador Sada Kapangkaya. Twiga High Pung Magadamati Alongli India Lay COVID-19 case Qatar 3,207 Sampang Haira Magada Jikona Mawan Satu Haira Union Health Ministry na Tata update kasa atishurda hina COVID-19 cases with total tally 4.31 crore hen Haira Lakavak active case 20,403 Lilay. Mawan Satwi Kahai Qatar Zangda Mawan Satwi Kahai Masing 5.24 lakh Haira. Kazat Zakashi Masing we active case 0.05% Lilay. Lakavak national COVID-19 recovery rate percent 98.74 Lilay ministry na hanga. Tugahai Pung Magatamati Alongle COVID-19 case lot hi Chakani Tumrada Kani cases Switahaira. Ministry we atishur that Tangkhul with positivity rate 0.95% Lilay Kala Hapta with positivity rate na 0.82% Lilay. Lakashong Gazat Hiwi Aina Karai Samkapang Kahai Machine na 4.25 crore Kahaira. Nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive Azingli country li cumulative tos kap Kahai country Ungshung Washung Dali 190.34 crore Henhaira. World Red Cross Aina Mother's Day commemorates Sakhabai Aya 44 Assam Rifle Avubing Vivang Tamelong Town Li Wellness Camp Mahot Miaya. Medical Administrative Assistance Camp Hi Matailak Aina Avu Sakhai Kachi Avu Kathar Kala Atumi Naungara Bingli Medical Mi Khabai Ngarin Saya. Camp Atam Jili Avu Shaka Tharali General Ari Kalem Aina Yongmi the Kala Basic Medical Testing Facility Li set up Saya. Shim Ot Kasan Li Sakhamai Kala Kaya Kakamai Ot Pam Malay Luimana da Hangda Avu Ngarabing na Atumi Shim Kur Wibang Kala Haglak Aina Yari Wibang Jikat Kami Kala Ot Ngarut Wibang 44 AR we Commandant na Society we Avungara Psychorally Mika Ningashimia. Mayor now being ling a soda or sakang room Kavai Marine Spears na Tay na we aina Rakavai Anatamelong we should now being Kachivali Anna Sashihira. Shimkur we shinau bing we aspirations kala ning rin nurture sa kawaila ana yara nau bing ling hot mi haira. Sapa shimkur siam kawai kapha avu ot ngurut la ana tamida hanga. Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission with Brand Ambassador Valentina Ilang Bamli Adam Environment Award with Bang Kapangkwi Haira. Kakching Li Kale Angam Ching Eco Park Li Makha Kachangwi Tarik Panga Thang Kwika Kita Kale World Environment Day Hili Valentina Li Certificate Ina Ngasoda Award Mia. Kum Kachida Kami Adam Environment Award hi 2006 kum wi aina hopoka. Valentina na award sampang kachi hi katharuka ngasara. Environmentalist Dr. KH Samugo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association All Manipur Working Journalists Union Wangkem Mangi Kala CRED Manipur Ali Adam Environment Award Sada conferred Samihira. Atumi Face Site Program we Akai Sada BJYM Manipur Pradesh na Mount Kaubruli Tingrong Anaw Ling Sanghira. BJYM Manipur Pradesh President M. Barish Kala BJYM with General Secretary R.K. Mixon BJYM with member Shaka Ngasoda Tingrong Kalingji Saruk Kuya. Atam Jili Kamatwi Kathara Mount Kaubruli Tingrong Kalinghi Chief Minister with Green Mission with Azingli BJYM Kala Forest Department Kangpokpi Division na Ngarumda Kamahotna. Tingrong Kalinghi Matailak aina global warming we aina kan kwi kawai wibang na. Tingrong Kalinghi Tangjing Kapung Lila Kwikara da Parish ng Rumsanga. India with President Ramnath Kovind na Justice Nong Maikabam Kodeshwar Gujarat Guwahati High Court with Acting Chief Justice Sada Kapanghaira. Ana Guwahati High Court with Chief Justice Li Awi Ot Marut Hi Justice Tulia Li High Court with Chief Justice Sada Charge Saka High Witili Hopokra da Matang da Zimik Show official statement Jinahanga. Katumthang Yaukaba Wivang Union Home Minister Amit Saha Assam Li Leidale Atam Hili Himan Biswa Swaman na Kathan Sorkarwi Kare Anniversary Kamayon Li Vazangra Kala India Bangladesh Border Li Travel Sara MR Mr. Shalim Mathang Zimik Show Himanta Sharma Kala Kangatay State BGB Kathana Bingna Guwahati Airport Li Ngarokuya. Home Minister na Achung Mathor PSF with Outpost Makachar Port Yaukaba Kala Chiwi Post Kasao Official Bingle Karachan Saya. Ana Foundation Shunmiya Kala Tamulpur District Lekale Central Armed Parliamentary Force CAPF Wivang San Wosto Kakanya groundbreaking ceremony Lisarukuya. Now made Mr. Sahana Kamrup District Lekale Amingon we Census Office Li Guwahati Medical College Aina Hospital Lekale Super Specialty Cardiothoracic Kala Neuroscience Center Ngazingshon Tarkar Samia. Sok Tangzimi Show Guwahati Li ceremony Ana Assam Police Li President we Machut President Samira Kala Force we Personnel Kala Officer Pingling Asoda Interact Sara. Kamataya Paubing. Lushida Kamataya Paubing. Public Administration Lead Team Kamatai Bing Wivang District na PM we award conference Saka High Witili. Vishnupur District with Deputy Commissioner na Fiji Sami Haira. Triga High Pung Magatamati Alungli India Le COVID-19 case Qatar 3,207 Sampang Vihaira Gazat Hiwi Aina 29 Mawan Satu Haira Mami TV Tangkhul News Achepau Hiling Achang Haira Laikyang Ngazin Ngasasaran